Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the core systems are ready. Set boiler pressure to 220-240 psi so you have consistent steam. This prevents pressure collapse when you demand RPM. Next, choose the valve gear and link position near mid-range to balance cutoff and flow. Once done, gently increase firing to stabilize temperature and saturate the steam lines. This reduces lag. Make sure feed water and injector are keeping pressure steady while you prepare to open the regulator for higher RPM. Now focus on timing and gradual power delivery. You adjust cutoff to roughly 20-25% so the engine develops torque efficiently without wasting steam. At the same time, increase fuel or coal feed in small steps. Abrupt changes can cause pressure spikes that destabilize RPM. Monitor the steam chest and vacuum for leaks because even small leaks will stop you reaching 3,500 RPM. Once the engine responds, refine link position and throttle smoothness. To keep acceleration control, you finish by bringing RPM to target and locking the setup in. Open the regulator smoothly toward 3,500 RPM while adjusting cutoff slightly back if you see overshoot. Subtlety preserves pressure. Make sure fire and feed water balance keeps boiler at 220-240 psi under load so RPM doesn't sag. If RPM falls, check valves and piston timing for misalignment and inspect steam lines for leaks. Repairing a bad valve or tightening a joint usually restores performance. Once stable, maintain small, steady trims.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.